Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a bald eagle in honor of 4th of July. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now to start off with our bald eagle, we're going to begin with the eye. So you want to start right about here in the middle of your paper, and we're just going to make lines just going to go down and then up like a check mark shape. Starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go down and up for a circle. And starting over here, we're going to make lines going to go up, and it's going to come back here for the top of the head. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to go down, and it's going to hook down for the beak. Then we're going to bring it back up, and we're going to come back here for the mouth. Next, we're going to bring this down, and we're going to come all the way back right around that little line that we made. And then right here, we're going to go down, and then we're going to come up and around here to kind of finish off the beak. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come back for the neck. And we're going to draw a line that's going to come over here for the bottom of the neck. Then I'm going to start right back up here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down here, just to show a little bit of depth. And next we just want to make a zigzag line shape that connects these two lines. Starting here, we're going to make lines going to go up. We're going to draw a line that's going to come up, and we're going to bring it up to here. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down here and up. Then we're going to draw this line up, and it's going to come down. Now, I'm going to make some of these long feathers here, and I'm going to slowly kind of bring them back. And I'm going to make them just a little bit smaller as we come back to about here. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to go down for the other wing. Then we're going to just kind of curve this line back. Now, just kind of how we did up here, we're going to still make some of these kind of pointy feather shapes. And you can see, whenever I draw one, instead of starting back down here, I start about the halfway point, and I come up, and then I draw down again. And I'm just going to do this all the way down, and I'm going to bring this wing back towards the body. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. And then I want to make the feet. Now, the feet are going to kind of be like tucked in here. So I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come kind of make like a hook shape. I'll make another one right here. And one more right here. Just kind of curve it around and bring it up. Next, I'm going to bring a line that's going to go down and up, kind of like a little hook. We'll do the same thing. We'll just make some more of these little shapes. Make a line that's going to curve around. And then we'll just connect it here. Next, I'm going to draw this line that's going to come out and then down here. Then we'll just draw a little line to connect these. Now for the tail feathers. I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. It's going to come to a point and back. We'll draw another one that's going to come out and back. And then we're just going to keep doing this all the way along here. They're going to kind of look like a fan. So they're just going to keep coming out, and they're going to come right up to here. And we're just going to do this all the way along here until I get to right about here. You can see they're starting to get smaller as they come back. Now, one of the things I want to do is I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to go up, and then I'm going to bring it down here. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to go up, and I'm going to bring this down here. Now, I'm just going to kind of bring these lines of the eagle feathers right up here. They don't have to be perfect. They don't have to go all the way up. But this is just going to add a little bit of texture and detail onto these wings. So we're just going to add some of those lines up here. Now, starting right in here, I'm just going to add a little circle shape that I color in for the pupil with a little line or two underneath. Next, I'm going to just draw a little black dot here for the nostril with a little line that's going to go down and back. And there you go. There is your drawing of a bald eagle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.